This is a salvia. It's called Limelight. I think right now it's about 8 feet across, and it will get up to 12 feet tall. It's one of those big ones, great for large properties. And the flowers are loved by bees, and they're big and showy. And the tips are like a chartreuse color, really lovely. And there's lots of bees on it right now. We actually just pruned this one back, brought it down by about 3 feet. So right now it's about 8 feet, 9 feet wide by 6 feet tall, but this can get up to 12 feet tall. It's a showstopper too. And so the flowers are really beautiful, and the bees just love this one. It's just gorgeous, really lovely. Lots of blooms. It's wonderful. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Sherry at Garden Angel Design.